subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has silently launched its new 5G phone under V series in China called Realme V20 with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the Realme V20 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended via dynamic RAM expansion technology, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage, which is again expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme V20 5G supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Realme UI 3.0 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.1 by 8.1mm, and it weighs around 184 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme V20 5G has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone will be soon available for purchase in the country in star blue and black color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme V20 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.